Hi, today I wanted to do a video on how we can save money on the purchase of our homes. It's actually just a math problem. With the Feds lowering interest rates, we're seeing some rates in the housing market start to go down. They are fluctuating a little bit. They're actually up from recent lows, but they're going to probably keep going down over time as the Feds keep lowering these interest rates. But I don't know that a lot of people really look under the hood when it comes to the loan. Just wanted to go over some specific numbers on how interest rates and duration can really impact what we're actually paying for a house. So I used a 6.5% interest rate on a $300,000 home. If we make that commitment and we purchase that home, the total interest that we're going to pay over the course of that 30 years, if we never put any extra payments toward the home, is $382,000. So we're looking at actually paying $682,000 for a $300,000 home over the course of 30 years. A lot of times looking at a 20 will make a significant difference in that cost, and this is the case. So if we change that at 6.5% interest over 20 years, we now go to $236,000 over 20 years. So we're talking over $100,000. And then even if you go shorter duration, which typically when you start reducing the duration on your home, you're going to get a better interest rate. But I'm going to keep it consistent here for the sake of doing the numbers. But if we go to a 15-year, we are now looking at $170,000 of interest that we're going to pay over the course of a 15-year loan. And that's not including any extra payments toward the principal. Also keep in mind when you're making your mortgage payment on the front end, that is where we pay the most amount of interest on our loan. We won't be hardly paying anything toward principal. So getting these shorter duration home mortgages are very significant. I know not everybody can tolerate that with their budget, but just want to make sure we're all mindful of doing that as we're getting into a market where maybe the sales are going to pick back up and we need to make some big decisions. So sharing those numbers with you, just hoping that if it can help one person save that kind of money on their mortgage rates, it's a win. We'll be putting more videos out in similar nature, and appreciate you watching.